Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I talked about 5 freelance skills you can use to make money for yourself this Christmas period. And in this video, I'll be giving you 5 more skills you can use to make more money for yourself this Christmas period. My name is Degree, and on this channel I talk about how to make money, how to grow your finances, and how to invest smartly. And if you're not so busy, stay on the video till the end because I will be spilling all the details you'll be needing. So let's get right into the video. So the number 1 skill I'll be talking about in this video is the copywriting skill. Yes, the copywriting skill. Behind every end of the year sale post or the 50% off post you see on the internet, a copywriter is behind it. You can write catchy headlines, email campaigns, and captions that convert. Give your loved ones something worth keeping, not another towel set. That is copywriting magic right there. Learn how to write festive, emotional, and persuasive words, and businesses will pay you to make their offers irresistible. The next skill I'll be talking about in this video is the gift packaging and product photography. If you're into creativity and visuals, this is your zone. Brands need aesthetic product shots, flat lays, and videos for their Christmas bundles. Even with your smartphone, you can set up a clean white background, use natural light, and take photos that sell. You can offer 20,000 naira for 10 Christmas product photos, and you'll be shocked by how many vendors will come into your DM. The third skill I'll be talking about in this video is the email marketing setup. The email marketing setup. Brands don't just want to post, they want to remind customers to buy. If you can use tools like MailChimp, Flowdesk, or ConvertKit to send festive email campaigns, you are golden. Offer to help brands to write and schedule a 12-day email campaign. That's a premium freelance gig because you're not just designing, you're driving sales. The fourth skill I'll be talking about in this video is the customer service support. The customer service support. This very one is underrated. Very underrated. During December, customers go wide. Wrong sizes, delayed orders, where is my package messages is madness. You can offer temporary customer support for brands, responding to emails, managing WhatsApp orders, or even tracking deliveries. You are saving business owners sanity, and they will happily pay for it. They will happily pay for it. The last skill I'll be talking about in this video is digital gift cards and printable designs. People are gifting digital products now. Planners, coupons, ebooks, templates, name it. If you can design gift cards, downloadable holiday planners, or editable Canva templates, Payhip, or even Instagram, you're not just freelancing. You are creating digital assets that sell over and over again. So which of the freelance skills are you going to start with? Write that down in the comment section because I'll be right there to check all your comments and give you guidance on how to get started. Because honestly, Christmas is for making memories. Yes, it is also for making money moves. If you pick even one of these skills, learn the basics, you not only make money this December, you walk into 2026 already booked. Remember, lazy money is still money as long as it is smart. So work smart this Christmas, and I'll see you on the next episode of Money Time with Tree. Thank you for joining me on today's episode of Money Time with Tree. I hope you learned something new and valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on all my latest videos. And until next time, stay financially fabulous.